DXN, who's the chairman, he is not a finance guy and a marketing guy and an operation guy and an IT guy and a logistic guy. No. But he's using other people's knowledge, other people's skill, their effort and their time. 1,000 people working in my team. As a chairman of a company, I'm not talking about DXN now, chairman of a company. You work 8 hours per day, 8 hours per day, 1,000 people. How many hours you have got? 8,000 hours. Can I work for 8,000 hours? I've got only 24 hours. Remember, this 1,000 people who's working in my company, in my business, is giving me 8,000 man hours. The rich people, they are very intelligent people. Now DXN. To become Crown Ambassador, how many diamond you need? 20. 20 diamond, you are Crown Ambassador.